Welcome to Norichyank Apartments. Come with me. So this is what our compound looks like. We have 6 units of 2-bedroom apartments, and I'm going to show you what the inside looks like in a place. But this is what our outside looks like. You can see we have a very huge compound. You can even have a mini get-together here with your friends if you wish. Yes. We have a standby generator, so of course the light never goes out here. And then we have our water reservoirs right there. You can see it's a very beautiful 2-bedroom apartment. The outside is not even doing justice to what the inside looks like. We have CCTV cameras in place, and of course the security fence. We have a security on site. We have a manager on site who are going to be here on daily to assist you while you stay here. Come with me, let me show you around. Hello, welcome to Norichyank Apartments. Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Miss K as always, and I'm glad to come your way with this beautiful apartment that I just moved into for a staycation. Guys, I know that some of you sometimes ask me, where can you stay when you are in Accra, you know, for short lets or maybe long term, a day or two, or maybe 2 weeks or a month, and I have just the perfect apartment for you. So I'm doing a staycation right here. This place is called Norichyank Apartments, and we are located at Fise on the Pokuase in Sawam Road. Proximity to town is very, very easy. There are taxis around, there are Ubers, there are boats that can take you everywhere you want to go to. Coming with the public transport is even easier when you are coming to this place. So probably you are looking for somewhere to spend the weekend, maybe have a mini getaway with the family. You are looking for something cozy like this to just have some time off, maybe for work. You can choose Norichyank Apartments. I'm going to take you around in a bit and let you have a feel of what the apartment looks like. So in all, we have 6 units of 2-bedroom apartments right here, and this is just newly completed. It is so fresh, and it is fully fitted for you to make your stay very, very comfortable, very, very welcoming, and all that good stuff. Maybe you live in Accra, you are getting married, you are looking for a place where you and your people can change, do your makeup, dress up and everything, then this place I will highly recommend for you. You can see we have a very large living room here, a very, very big living room, very cozy, very serene. The area is so serene. I've been here for 2 days already, and I'm still going to be here for the rest of the week. This place is so quiet, this place is so very, very calm, peaceful, and you can do stuff like I am saying right here. So this is our living room, and once you walk in, like I showed you before, you can see we have everything that makes you comfortable here. We have our ceiling fans in place, we have the AC, we have a TV here, very large TV for you, and of course it comes with Dstv and Wi-Fi connectivity. So of course the Wi-Fi is here. You can go on YouTube, watch any cable TV at all that you are used to. But we have Dstv connected here, and then we also have our local channels in place for you. And like I said, it's very cozy. Once you are here, you don't even feel like going out or stepping out. Once you have everything in your kitchen, which brings me to the kitchen. We have a fully fitted kitchen that comes with a fridge, a microwave, rice cooker, cooking utensils for you, just so that you make your stay very, very comfortable. Let's go and have a look at it. But before that, I'll show you the dining area briefly, and then we can go into the kitchen. We have a 4-seater dining here, right here. You can see we already have it ready to welcome you and then your guests. If you come and you are poor, we can still probably provide some extra chairs for you so that you and your family will be comfortable in the dining area. So yeah, it faces the living room. And then we also have this area here, you know, where you have a lot of space for movement and all that. And of course, we have an iron board here so that you can iron your stuff. I'm sure somebody will say, why do we have the ironing board here? But this is like a little balcony area, and we are hiding it. Of course, because the rooms are shared, we placed it here so that whoever wants to use it can comfortably use it. If you're a family and you come and you want to move it around, you can also do that. Let's go to the kitchen and then I'll show you the rooms while we come. Ta-da! Welcome to my kitchen, guys. So this is my kitchen, and like I said, it is a fully fitted kitchen. It comes with a dish rack for you. We have the blender here. We have some utensils right here, so that you can be able to cook. We have some storage here for other cookware and all that. And then of course we have our fridge and then freezer. You can see it is new and very clean. When you come with your water, your drinks, your food, you have a place to preserve them. Then we have the oven here, the cooker, and then the oven. So there it is. You have the oven, whatever you want to do, you can do right here. Cook. We have our sink, and of course the water is working. You can see we have a borehole system here, so the water doesn't go up at all. And then we also have the microwave for you, more cookware right here, so that you can be able to cook. And then we have this big storeroom area in case you are staying here for a longer period. Maybe you may want to store a few other stuff that maybe you are coming along with here. Like I said, this place is family friendly, so you can come with your family, with your children, and of course 2 bedrooms. It's going to be good for you guys. Let's go and see what the rooms have, or what the rooms look like, and then you can make your decision about this place. So let me show you the first room right here. This is our master bedroom. We have a very large king-size bed here. At least 3 people can sleep here. So let's say you're a bride and you want to come here with your tribe, like your bridesmaids, to get ready for a wedding or something. Of course, 3 here, 3 there, and you can make use of the space. Then we also have a wardrobe for you, a very cute one, for you to hang your clothes and store your stuff and all that. More storage here. Then all our rooms are en suite. I didn't mention that before. All the rooms, 2 rooms that we have here are en suite. So of course it comes with your bathroom. We have a cute stuff here, the WC, the shower. I would really love you to see the shower, and then your sink area where you can do your self-work. Can you see our windows? We have very large windows here, so that yes, of course, this place will have enough air for you to enjoy yourself. Guys, like I said, this place is located at Fise in Accra. Fise is close to Pokuase, so let's say it's between Pokuase and Amasaman. Proximity to this area is very easy. From Accra, from whether you're coming from Kaswa side, Tema side, wherever, it is really easy to find. And the name again is Norichyank Apartments. Norichyank Apartments. This is a newly built apartment. I'm going to share the price with you before the end of the video. Let me show you the other room. Guys, before I show you the room, let me show you the guest washroom. So you know our living room is here. We've already shown you that, but we have a guest room. In case you come around and you are staying here, and then you also receive guests whom you would not want in your bedrooms to like use the washroom and all that. We have a very cute washroom here just for our guests, so that guests can be directed here, and so they don't go into your space, your bedroom spaces. Now we have the second bedroom. So here it is, same huge bed. It's a bit smaller than the first one, but it is still big. The spaces here are really, really amazing. And then it comes with a wardrobe, just like the other room. It comes with a wardrobe where you can put your stuff, and then it also comes with the shower area, the washroom area, because like I said, it's our ensuite place, so we have the washroom here as well. Comes with an AC, and then we have the fan, POP, lighting, everything on point, just to make your stay really, really comfortable. Probably you are also in Ghana here, but then maybe you are in Pokuase, you are in Takoradi, you are in Koforidua, you are coming for a funeral in Accra, you don't know where to stay. Norichyank Apartments is the place for you. Come and book your apartment. And then you can stay here for the time that you are here for your funeral, or the time that you are here for your wedding event, or whatever you are coming down to. And you want somewhere very quiet to stay, then Norichyank Apartments is the place for you guys. Our apartment is a 2-bedroom apartment, and we have 6 in total. And it is new, so it is empty at the moment. We only have one place that is occupied, so we have a lot of spaces for you. You can book today, and tomorrow we are checking you right in. It goes for $60 for a night, but because it is new and we are having a promo, you can use my code MK50 and you book it at a $50 rate. So $50 for a night. It goes for $60 for a night, but when you are booking, use MK50, that's Miss K50, and it's going to go for $50 for a night for you. The number is on your screen. Give me a call. Yes, I am the direct link to this place, so give me a call and I'm going to give you a room so that you stay in. The promo price is going to last for like a month. It's going to last for like a month, so make your booking now. If you are coming down to Ghana next month, 2 months, whatever, make your booking now, make payments now, and we are going to reserve the place for you. By the time you come in, we have it ready. We have people who are going to receive you. Our security is tight. We have a good security fencing wall here. We have cleaners here. If you are staying for a longer period, cleaners here who are going to assist you to do your cleaning and all that. Yes, and like I said, proximity to town is very, very easy, so you don't have a problem at all. Norichyank Apartments, right here in Accra. Give me a call. My name is Miss K, and my number is 020-1961-464. 020-1961-464. If you are calling me from out of this country, just add the Ghana code +233-20-1961-464, and I'm going to book you for this place. Thank you so much for coming by and watching. Let me give you a tour of what the outside of this place looks like, the area and everything. And I hope you enjoyed coming on the tour with me. This is the area that we are in, and you can see this is very, very calm. Thank you. My love to you. Bye.